children, welcome to CAMS கல்வி சேனல். நம்ம இன்னைக்கு பார்க்க போகிறது ஒரு டெஸ்ட் வீடியோ. எந்த கிளாஸ்க்குனா 10th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் ஒன் வேர்ட் வீடியோப்பா இது டெஸ்ட்டு. எக்கனாமிக்ஸ். சூஸ் த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர்ஸ் ஒன்லி டெஸ்ட். ஓகே, லெட்ஸ் கோ ஃபார் த வீடியோ. அதுக்கு முன்னாடி நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாமல் இருந்தீங்கன்னா ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். அப்போ தான் மிஸ் அடுத்தடுத்து போடுற வீடியோலாம் உங்களுக்கு நோட்டிஃபிகேஷனாக வரும். லெட்ஸ் கோமா. ஃபஸ்ட் ஒன், ஜிஎன்பி ஈக்குவல்ஸ் ஏ என்என்பி adjusted for inflation, GDP adjusted for inflation, GDP plus net property income from abroad, NNP plus net property income or abroad. Second, national income is a measure of total value of money, total value of producer goods, total value of consumption goods, total value of goods and services. Number 3, primary sector consists of agriculture, automobiles, trade, banking. Number 4, dash approach is the value added by each intermediate goods and summed to estimate the value of the final good. A. Expenditure approach, B. Value added approach, C. Income approach, D. National income. Fifth one, which one sector is highest employment in the GDP? Agriculture sector, industrial sector, service sector, none of the above. Sixth one, gross value added at current prices for services sector is estimated at dash lakh crore in 2018-19, 91.06, 92.06, 80.7, 98.29. Seventh one, India is dash larger producer in agricultural product. First, third, fourth, second. Eighth one, India's life expectancy at birth is dash years. 65, 60, 70, 55. Ninth one, which one is a trade policy? Irrigation policy, import and export policy, land reform policy, wage policy. 10th one, Indian economy is developing economy, emerging economy, dual economy, all the above. 11th one, who is the head of the World Trade Organization? WTO. Ministerial Conference, Director General, Deputy Director General, none of these. 12th one, colonial advent in India. A. Portuguese, Dutch, English, Danish, French. B. Dutch, English, Danish, French. C. Portuguese, Danish, Dutch, French, English. D. Danish, Portuguese, French, English, Dutch. 13. GATS first round held in Tokyo, Uruguay, Turkey, Geneva. 14. India signed the Dunkirk Proposal in 1984, 1976, 1950, 1994. 15. Who granted the English Golden Fireman in 1632? Jahangir, Sultan of Golconda, Akbar, Aurangzeb. 16. Foreign Investment Policy FIP announced in June 1991, July 1991, August 1991, August 1991. 17. Indian government was introduced dash in 1991. Globalization, World Trade Organization, New Economic Policy, none. 18th one. Dash of food is physical availability of food stocks in desired quantities, which is a function of domestic production, changes in stocks and imports. 19. Buffer stocks is the stock of food grains, namely wheat and rice, procured by the government through the FCI, consumer cooperatives, ICICI, IFCI. 20. Which is correct? HYB, high yielding varieties. MSP, minimum support price. PDS, public distribution system. D. FCI, Food Corporation of India. 1 and 2 are correct. 3 and 4 are correct. 1, 2 and 3 are correct. All are correct. 21st. Dash extended assistance through its public law 480. United States of America, India, Singapore, UK. 22nd. Dash revolution was born in India, paving way for self-sufficiency of food grain production. Blue revolution, white revolution, green revolution, grey revolution. 23rd. Dash is the only state in India to adopt universal PDS. Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka. 24. Dash is the process of providing or obtaining the food necessary for health and growth. Health, nutrition, sanitation, security. 25th. The three levels of governments in India are union, state and local, central, state and village, union, municipality and panchayat, none of the above. 26. In India, taxes are including direct taxes, indirect taxes, both A and B, none of these. 27. Which is the role of government under development policies? Defense, foreign policy, regulate the economy, all of above. 28. The most common and important tax levied on an individual in India is service tax, excise duty, income tax, central sales tax. Under which tax one nation, one uniform tax is ensured? Value added tax VAT, income tax, goods and service tax, sales tax. 30. Income tax was introduced in India for the first time in the year 1860, 1870, 1880, 1850. Dash tax is charged on the benefits derived from property ownership, income tax, wealth tax, corporate tax, excise duty. 32. What are identified as cause of black money? Shortage of goods, high tax rate, smuggling, all of above. 33. The Detroit of Asia is Thoothukudi, Coimbatore, Chennai, Madurai. 34. Pump sets and motors are produced mostly in Salem, Coimbatore, Chennai, Dharmaburi. 35. Dash are an essential aspect of a nation's development. Agriculture, industry, railway, none of these. 36. Tripur is known for leather tanning, lock making, nightwear, agro-processing. 37. A successful industrial cluster entirely created by the Tamil Nadu is Hosur, Dindukkal, Kovilpatti, Tirunelveli. ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், மிஸ் வந்து லவ் எக்கனாமிக்ஸ் ஒன் வேர்ட் மட்டும் போட்டிருக்கோம் இல்லையா, இதோட ஆன்சர் வீடியோ மிஸ் போடுறேன். அதை பார்த்து லேர்ன் பண்ணிவிட்டு இந்த வீடியோ பார்த்து டெஸ்ட் எழுதி பாருங்கள். இது நாட் ஒன்லி உங்கள் 10th மட்டுமே இல்லை, நீங்கள் இதை டெஸ்ட் எழுதி பார்க்க நம்ம எந்த என்ட்ரன்ஸ் எக்ஸாம் எழுதினாலும் உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் வாட்சிங். நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், வீடியோ ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், லைக் பண்ணுங்கள். மிஸ்ஸு கமெண்ட் பாக்ஸில் மறக்காமல் கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள்.